Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to put a link in your TikTok bio. First of all, open TikTok, then click on your profile icon. Next, click on Edit Profile. Now, you can see there is no option to add a website link in the bio. To enable this link, go back. Click on the three horizontal lines. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Account. Next, click on Switch to Business Account, because this is the last option to enable a website link in the bio. Then, click on Next 4 times. Select the category of your business. I'm selecting beauty. Click on Next. Here, they ask for the email address, or you can skip it. I'm clicking on Skip. Now, you can add a bio from here, but I'm clicking on Maybe Later. Now, your account has been converted to a business account. Go back from here, now click on Edit Profile. Here, you can see there is an option to add a website link in the bio. That's all the way to add a link in your TikTok bio. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.